Natalie Diaz with Twiniversity at the ABC Baby Expo. I am at the Baby Elephant Ears booth. If you don't know about this product, I strongly suggest you look into it. What are elephant ears, you say? Well, of course, they're what an elephant uses to hear with, of course. But in our world, they are used to hold your baby in place. So, if you're on a stroller, if you're in a car seat outside, not in the car, but if you're using your Snap and Go, you could use this as a positioner for your baby so that they're comfortable. They could turn their little baby head to the left or to the right and be comfortable and nice and comfy, cozy, and warm. This is also very washable. Throw it in the wash, line dry, do your best, do whatever you want to do to make sure that it's clean. They've also are expanding their line this year. They have little mini blankets and gift sets. So if you haven't heard about them, definitely check it out. It's a Twin Mom favorite. So go look below for more information or go to twiniversity.com. See you soon.